Hello friends, welcome to Trending Tube. My name is Biswa. In this video, I'm going to show you a product from IKEA, which is IKEA Gang Passage. This Gang Passage is primarily a kitchen mat, which you will find in any of the IKEA stores. And this product is primarily used for a kitchen mat, which will be used within your kitchen to keep your surface clean out of oil and water. So basically the dimension of this product is approximately 45 centimeter into 120 centimeter, which is 1 feet 6 inch into 3 feet 11 inch. That is approximately a huge one, and the quality of this product is really good. You will find the rubberized material on the behind, on the back, and this product is basically durable, easy care, is perfect to have in the kitchen since it's filled with foam that allows you to stand on it for a long time without getting tired. Combine several to suit your out floor layout. There are different colors also available. When we talk about the material, it is 100% polyester and it is 100% recycled material. The filling is primarily polyurethane foam, and the backing is EVA foam that you see, that's a EVA foam. And the company says that do not wash this, do not bleach, tumble dry, do not even iron, do not dry clean, wipe with a clean cloth. That's it, you just need to wipe it because it is made up of polyurethane foam and polyester, and on the top you just need to wipe it because it will be clean. So primarily this is used for kitchen purposes and kitchen mat. This is by the design shows as a flat open surface, and the price of the product is MRP approximately 2,980, but you will find it at around 1,500 rupees, approximately one around $15, I can say approximately. The measurement I already spoke about, it is 120 centimeter into 45 centimeter. It will cover around 5.81 square feet of area, friends. And in terms of packaging, you will get one kitchen mat. The packaging weight is approximately 0.63 kg, so it is very good, it's easy to carry. I hope this video is useful, guys. This will be useful product within your kitchen. If you like this, do hit the like button. If you have any question, put that on the comment section, I will try to help. And please do subscribe to my channel for further updates. Thank you and thanks for watching.